Taoiseach, a record 5,274 children are homeless with their families. It's equivalent to a shocking 222 primary school classes of children. These children will spend Christmas in homelessness, without a Christmas tree, without a dinner table that they can sit around with their families on Christmas Day. They will wonder, will Santa even find them? Each week we come in here, we put forward solutions, and we feel you are ignoring them. Why won't you implement a temporary eviction ban to stop thousands of more children and families being made homeless? I ask you, Taoiseach, do you really consider what life is like for the 5,274 children living in emergency accommodation, how damaging and traumatising it is to them? Taoiseach, I have for you today a piece of art which the artist Asbestos made, which sets out 5,274 children homeless. The lettering is from the proclamation, where we committed, as this state, to cherish all children equally. We are not doing that, and I'm calling you, Taoiseach, to take emergency action on that.
You're out of order.
Thank you.
Deputy Hearn, there are rules in the House, and while you're making a very valid point, and I don't dispute your right to do that, I think that you should reflect on the use of waving flags during the course of making that point.